Welcome back to our Bluesy Water channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about something called hydrogen therapy. Hydrogen therapy is a perfect complement for our Bluesy Water therapy. So what is hydrogen therapy? What is it about? So let's talk about oxidation. Let's use a simple image so you can understand what oxygen does, what hydrogen does. Hydrogen and oxygen obviously make water, which is an incredible cleaner, so we know that these compounds are extraordinary, and hydrogen is found in everything. It's the most basic element. So what is oxidation? What's its purpose? What is hydrogen for? So let's think of a wood stove and you're burning wood. So think of the wood in the stove as the toxins in your body. So in order to burn the wood, you need enough firepower. You need enough flame. Oxygen is indeed the cleaner. Oxygen is what cleans the body. Now, most of us don't have enough oxygen throughout the body, so we don't get effective burn. Plus, we just have so many toxins, so there's always going to be byproduct. But the first thing you want to do is have an effective degree of oxygen in your body, and that's why Bluesy Water is so incredible. Bluesy Water, when you treat your water, it creates what's called activated oxygen. And also by boosting the water and by using ozone therapy and bubbling ozone into water, you can boost the intensity of the Bluesy Water and increase the flame. So now you can have a much more effective burn of the toxins in your body. However, we have so many toxins, just going throughout the day. Oxidation is the byproduct of the burn. And one thing about Bluesy Water that's also extraordinary is that it'll clean up the byproduct of its own burn. But we just have so many toxins that we're going to get some byproduct. And what is byproduct? Well, when you burn wood in a wood stove, think of soot and ashes, what's left over after the burn. Now, if you have a very, very highly effective, efficient wood stove, you're going to have less soot and ashes. So if you have a great detox protocol with lots of activated oxygen, you're going to have less byproduct, but nonetheless, we live in this world, we have toxins, so there's always some oxidation or soot and ashes that we have to take care of. That's where hydrogen therapy comes in. Hydrogen therapy cleans up literally the soot and the ashes. It's an amazing antioxidant. It cleans up free radicals. So when you have oxidation and the byproduct, there's all these consequential things that go on in the body. One's called free radical damage, oxidative stress. So in general, you want to go after the byproduct of oxidation. So number one, you want to have this very effective detox protocol. You want to have a great burn. The more effective and efficient the burn and the less toxins in your body, the less byproduct. So that's just number one. It's common sense. Number two is have a great protocol for cleaning up the byproduct of oxidation. And hydrogen water is quite effective at cleaning up the byproduct of oxidation, going after free radicals. So please Google hydrogen water therapy. Take a look at it. The machines that you can buy on eBay are really affordable. Just make sure you look at the specs. We recommend getting your parts per million up to over 1,000. You want to look at how long it takes to create that kind of efficiency. I bought one on eBay and it was like $60 and I really like it. It works well. You can contact me, Andrew at Bluesy Water, for the name of that device. But there's so many on eBay. If you just do the research, read the reviews, go to Amazon, you can find a decent machine. There's also, you can treat it chemically by adding tablets if you want to go that route. So just read up on hydrogen water. It's extremely affordable and it will help basically create a very superior antioxidation therapy. Alrighty, thank you. Any questions, once again, contact me, Andrew at bluesywater.com.